Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Notability and GoodNotes. Notability is well known for combining note-taking with audio recording. You can write or tap notes while recording, and later, when you tap on any part of your notes, it will play back the exact part of the recording from that moment. This makes it really helpful for students in lectures or anyone who needs to revisit what was said. It also supports PDF annotation, handwriting with the Apple Pencil, highlighting, and even sketching. Notes can be organized into the folders and subjects, and syncing through iCloud keeps everything updated across devices. Its interface is simple and quick to use, making it a strong choice for people who want speed and efficiency. GoodNotes, however, is designed to give a very natural handwriting feel, almost like writing on real paper. It has customizable notebooks, different paper templates, and strong tools for drawing and annotating. One of its biggest strengths is organization. You can create folders, subfolders, and easily search handwritten notes because it categorizes your handwriting. GoodNotes also works well for people who like to plan, journal, or keep study notes in a very structured way. It offers great customization for pen styles, colors, and layouts. With features like collaboration and iCloud sync, it's good fit for both students and professionals who want a more detailed, structured note-taking system. Overall, Notability shines if you want a quick note-taking with powerful audio syncing and a simple interface, while GoodNotes is better if you prefer advanced handwriting, deep organization, and a paper-like writing experience. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.